सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Happy Republic Day to all of you from Artoons. In today's video, I am sharing how to make this animation in Wick Editor. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to watch more easy animation and art tutorials. You can support us by sharing this video. Now let's get started. I am on the website wickeditor.com. Now I will click on the launch web editor button and here is our canvas. Now I am selecting first layer and I will name it as green. And now I am selecting this rectangle shape and I am selecting fill color and stroke color same as green color, and I will drag the cursor to make a rectangle. Now using this cursor button, I am adjusting the shape of this rectangle. And now I have selected Path Cursor tool to change the shape of this rectangle. From middle I am making the line a curved line so that it looks like a ground. Now I am extending this frame till last frame. Now I am adding tween to this shape. So I have clicked that tween button and I am lowering it down because I want this shape to pop up when we start our animation. So I have lowered the shape at first frame, and on fifth frame I have increased its level. Now I am playing it so that you can see. Similarly, I will make next layer. I will name this layer as white, and I am starting this layer from 6th frame. As I did in previous layer, I will extend this layer to the last frame. Now using this Path Cursor tool, I am changing the shape of this white rectangle. And now I have added tween to this layer also. At first frame I have added the tween and I have selected this shape and lowered it down, and after 5 frames, that is to 15th frame, I have again selected the tween and here I am raising it a little bit. Similarly, I am selecting third layer and I am naming it as orange. And as I did for white layer, I am starting this layer from 16th frame where the tween of the previous layer ends. And for this also I am selecting the rectangular shape, and I have selected same fill color as stroke color, and using this path cursor tool I have lowered down one corner of this shape. And now I have extended the first frame till last frame, and to the first frame I have added this tween, and I have selected this layer again and I will lower it down. Now I am adding one more tween at the 15th frame of this orange layer, and now I have selected the layer and I have raised it a little bit. Now I have selected another layer and I have named it sun. Now this sun layer is starting from 16th frame, and to make a sun I am selecting a circle and yellow color, both as fill color and stroke color, and I will just drag to make a circle. Now I will extend this frame till last frame, and I have added tween to the first frame, and I have selected this shape and lowered it down, and after 5 frames I have added another tween and selected the shape of the sun and raised it a little bit. Now I am adding another layer, 5th layer, and I have named it as flag, and the starting frame of this 5th layer is same as the starting frame of the sun layer. Now to make a flag I have selected rectangle. I will just drag it to make the rectangle, and then I will select this line tool to make these lines. Now I will select a circle, and using this cursor tool I am adjusting the position of this circle. Now I will zoom in to make some lines inside this circle. For this I have selected stroke color as blue, light blue, and I have selected this line tool. Now since the size is very small, so I have increased this size to 4, and now I am making the lines inside this circle. Now I am adjusting the length of these lines using this path cursor tool. Some lines are drawn out of the circle, so I am adjusting their length. Now I will recenter and I will use fill color. I will select orange color to fill the upper rectangle and green color to fill the lower rectangle. Now I have selected line tool and increased its size to 7, and I have changed the color to brown. Now I am just dragging this line to complete the flag drawing. Now our flag is ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now I will use cursor tool to select the drawing and I will click on this button, make a clip. Now this is very important to click on this button so that you can drag and drop or change the position of this whole drawing as one object. Now, as I did in previous layers, I have added the tween to the first frame and selected this drawing and lowered it down, and to the last frame also I have added the tween and raised this drawing. Now I am adding another layer and I will name this layer as birds. Now I am starting this layer from 20th frame, and to draw the birds I have selected brush tool and I have taken the size of the brush around 4 or 5 and I will zoom in to draw the birds. I selected black color and I am drawing the birds freehand with the brush. You can draw a small V shape so it will look like birds are flying high up in the sky. Now using a cursor tool I have selected it and clicked on this button, make a clip, and now I am extending the first frame till last frame, and I have also added tween to the first frame, and now I am changing its position and also I am adjusting the shape and size. Last frame also I have added tween and I have changed the position. I have decreased the size also to show that the birds are flying and going far in the sky. Now I am adding another layer, and I have named this layer as text. Now I am starting this layer from frame 20. That is the starting point of the previous layer. Now I am starting this layer from frame 21. And now I am adding this text button, and now I am typing Happy Republic Day. Now I am changing the font of the text. I have increased its size, and also I am changing the fill color and stroke colors. And to this layer also I have added tween to the first frame, and I have changed its position, and to the last frame also I have added a tween, and I am just dragging it to change the position. Now I will click that settings button on the top right corner, and from there I will select the background color, and I will also change the frame rate. I will decrease it to 7, and now let's play our video. So it's turned out nice. Now I want this whole drawing to stay for a longer time, so I am increasing the number of frames. I have added 5 more frames to each layer, so I am just dragging the last frame to 5 more frames. Now you can practice this animation, and you can add more elements as per your creativity, like you can add some clouds or some more colors, and you can change the background. Now you can click on this export button and export it as a GIF file, and also you can export it as a video. And don't forget to save this project so that if in future you want to do some changes, then you can just open it and work on it. Now this is our final animation. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share this video. I will be back with another tutorial. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.